I'm Kristoffer Løwenstein. I'm from Denmark, but I'm based in Milan in the company called Otis, where I'm doing learning-based MPC with a focus on industrial applications. So I do a little bit of model learning, but I also do optimization algorithms and actually apply them to real system that we encounter in an industry. I think it's a unique opportunity because we are a lot of ELO-X fellows working under the same umbrella. So like we have a common language and are working in the same direction, but within this network we still have a lot of diversity ranging from very applied research to very theoretical research, and you can draw from the other fellows and professors in the network to kind of develop your own results in collaboration with them. I mean, I like challenges, and that's one of the reasons why I decided to do it. Doing a PhD is hard, I would agree, but I like to be in a place where I can challenge myself, where I can learn, and also try to push the limits, go to the edge, and help develop something that hopefully can impact the future. And I guess technology will hopefully help drive the improvements in this in the future in various fields. So that's why I choose to join this PhD program, and I guess if I get the opportunity, or if I get the opportunity, I would do it again because it's very interesting. I mean, in my opinion, both methods has their advantages and disadvantages. So I think we should not focus too much on the competition between the two. I think we should focus more on how we can make them play together. And there's also a lot of fellows in this program who is actually trying to combine the two methods. So I think that's the way to go. But since I'm working with MPC, of course I will any day go with the MPC if I have to choose. I mean, hopefully it will have a positive impact on it. To be honest, this was not something that I took into account when I applied for the PhD position, but when I talk to people, they really say that it's a really strong thing to have on your CV that you went through a Marie Curie ITN project. And hopefully it will contribute to my future career. And I think the things that we learn here are for sure useful, not only if you want to stay in academia, but also if you go to industry. I would say, first of all, I think the skills we learn, like technical skills in this project, are very, very good. Like the level of the professors involved and the teaching we get through the events is very, very high, so very high quality technical skills. But we get more than that. First of all, I would say in my position as an industrial PhD in a company, I get a very, very good understanding of this separation between industry and academia, and I get a very good understanding of what is needed in academia and what is more valuable from an industrial point of view. And I hope that in the future that this will give me more value to me, since I can help distinguishing between what is useful in industry and what is not. And the last thing I would like to point out is that through this network you really get some good skills in collaborating with people from very diverse cultural backgrounds, also technical backgrounds, and I guess this you would not encounter in the same way in a normal job, but on intention we are brought together in this project to collaborate, and sometimes it's challenging, but I think it's also like really fruitful and really learningful, and this learning experience I will carry with me once I proceed to the next step in my career. Yeah, let's see. I think especially like it's along the lines what I've already mentioned, that you like really get some skills that you would not encounter in a normal job, and also this international experience that you get to live in another country. You get to work with a culture. Now I'm from Denmark, from the north, and encountering people from Italy and also here in Romania. It's very different from Denmark, but you kind of learn to work with people from all over, and it's really helpful and useful for your career, I would say.